Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Power Motorcycle channel. Today, a little bit different content than usual because I'm going on a road trip. So today, we're going to be delivering this K-bike to its new owner. So come along for the ride with me as we take our beautiful Sprinter van. I got this bike all loaded up yesterday and we are going to Punta Gorda. We're going to Punta Gorda. So for those that don't know, it is across the state. A little bit of a doozy of a ride, but we're gonna make it happen. We're leaving early this morning. And let's get after it. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We're just gonna make a quick pit stop, get our morning coffee, stuff like that. We're gonna do a quick check on the bike. Make sure we're all good here. Love it. And then we're gonna call our new customer, let him know we're on our way. I am on the road and my ETA is showing just about noon, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'll see you then.
Perfect. I'll call you if I have any changes or anything like that, okay?
Sounds good. No problem, sir. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you. See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Alright everybody, we just pulled up. I'm gonna go introduce myself to this new owner, get some paperwork signed and go from there. bit. You hang up your straps when you're done, keep everything organized. And always do your opposite of your kickstand side first. Alright everybody, real quick, so the Insta360 died. We got the Grand America unloaded, signed, sealed, delivered. We're ready to load up a GSA. Let's do it. Take a spot a second. Trick to loading a bike, if you've never done it before, kickstand down, do that side first so if it falls on the kickstand, and also keep it in gear, help yourself out so you're not holding the front brake while you're doing this, especially if you don't have a wheel chuck. Alright everybody, GSA is all wrapped up, loaded, and ready to rumble. Let's go get some lunch. I wish I brought you guys into that store with me, because that was hectic. I've never seen so many people at a counter ordering food at once. Luckily, I jumped into the right line and got some empanadas and pan de bono, so cheesy bread. All right, everybody, back on the road. Love bug season's pretty bad this year.